Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that has been consumed for centuries due to its versatility and nutritional benefits. It is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent food for weight management. In addition, cabbage is packed with a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support various aspects of human health. In this video, we will explore the many health benefits of cabbage. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. The exact origin of cabbage is unknown, as it has been cultivated and consumed for thousands of years in many different parts of the world. It is believed to have originated in the eastern Mediterranean region, although some sources suggest that it may have originated in Western Europe or Asia Minor. The wild ancestor of cabbage is thought to be a weed known as wild mustard, which is still found growing in the wild in parts of Europe and Asia. This plant was domesticated by ancient farmers, who selected and cultivated varieties with larger and more compact heads, eventually leading to the development of modern cabbage. The ancient Greeks and Romans were known to have grown and eaten cabbage, and it was a popular food in many parts of Europe during the Middle Ages. Cabbage was also brought to the Americas by European colonists, and it has since become a staple vegetable in many parts of North and South America. Today, cabbage is cultivated and consumed in many different parts of the world, with China being the largest producer of cabbage globally. It is a versatile vegetable that is used in a wide range of dishes, from coleslaw to stir-fries, to soups and stews. Cabbage is a rich source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining digestive health. It helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly, preventing constipation and other gastrointestinal issues. Furthermore, cabbage contains compounds that can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can improve the overall health of the digestive system. Cabbage contains compounds known as glucosinolates, which have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. These compounds can help to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in the colon, lung, breast, and prostate. In addition, cabbage is high in antioxidants, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals that can lead to cancer. Cabbage is an excellent source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Furthermore, cabbage contains compounds that can help to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, also known as bad cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which can fight off infections and diseases. Furthermore, cabbage contains other nutrients, such as vitamin A, vitamin K, and folate, that can support immune system function. Cabbage is a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps to regulate calcium absorption and utilization, which can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. In addition, cabbage contains other nutrients, such as magnesium, that can support overall health. Cabbage contains compounds known as anthocyanins, which have been shown to have cognitive benefits. These compounds can help to improve memory and concentration, as well as reduce the risk of cognitive decline associated with aging. Cabbage is rich in vitamin K, which has been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurological diseases. In conclusion, cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable that can offer a range of health benefits. It can support digestive health, reduce the risk of cancer, improve heart health, boost immune system function, improve bone health, and support brain function. So, next time you are looking for a healthy and tasty addition to your meals, consider adding some cabbage to your plate. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.